Readable code addresses the critical human aspect of managing and maintaining code. The sources strongly emphasize the importance of using descriptive and meaningful names for your variables.
Not just X and Y.
Please, no. They contrast the use of short, often cryptic names like simply using X and Y with names that clearly indicate what the variable represents, such as layer height or text width.
Okay, that makes immediate sense.
The key takeaway is that your variable name should clearly describe what the variable holds, making it significantly easier for anyone reading the code to follow the logic. While short names might save a few keystrokes initially,
They cost you way more time later trying to figure it out.
exactly, they can create a significant barrier to understanding down the line. And as the sources suggest, designers, who are often focused on clear visual communication, might actually have a natural tendency towards writing more readable code.
Because we're used to thinking about clarity.
Perhaps, yeah, because they understand the importance of conveying information effectively. However, the sources also acknowledge that there's plenty of code out there riddled with complex structures and those aforementioned cryptic names,
Right.
which just underscores why actively prioritizing readability is so crucial. Right, for shorter After Effects expressions, let's say roughly between maybe 4 and 15 lines, the last line test offers a simple gauge of readability.
Okay.
The idea is that the final line of your code should provide a clear indication of what property is being affected and what the ultimate calculation or output of the expression is.
Ah, so it summarizes the point of the expression.
Kinda, yeah. While this might not be applicable to very long and complex expressions, for these more concise bits of code, a clear last line often reflects a well-structured and understandable expression. It's like the concluding sentence of a paragraph, summarizing the main point.
The sources even mention that there are tools that can help improve code readability, right? How would that work?
Well, you could potentially feed it your code and ask it to suggest more descriptive names for your variables, or even to automatically add comments that explain what different sections of your code are doing.
That's a smart way to use available technology.